There she goes.
We got the, oh my God, is it real? We got the, oh my God.
Probably better.
It's okay, I trust you too.
Okay, all right.
Oh, you gotta come inside though.
Oh.
You can get a nice view.
Okay. You gotta show me what to do now.
It's already recording, you just gotta point it to me.
I was just pointing at you. And where's my hands have to be like this?
No, your hand goes inside of here. There you go.
Oh, like this?
Yep, and you just gotta point it, and you can see me right here. And that's
oh, okay. Oh, like this. Okay, I got you.
See? Do you see me?
I got you. Yep. I see you.
You do?
I got my sneakers on.
Brady, you wanna go get ice cream? I haven't done this in years.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
I remember one time I did it and I went up so high, I fell off and I went underneath.
Oh no!
I went underneath and the thing was hitting me. Because we played.
Brittany!
We played.
You see me?
Road, you getting into?
You trying to race me? You want me to go grab one?
She said, you racing?
Yeah, I could jump. I'm scared though. It's been a while.
Okay. All right. That was a nice ending. That was a nice ending. Yeah.
This water dirty.
Yeah, find a nicer spot.
I'm in nature, y'all. This looks like something from a movie, for real.
I told you it's nice.
Beautiful.
Ryan, look at your little booty. You got your little shape. You would never know under those big jeans.
Being out in nature today really just grounded me. You know, I wish I had more moments like this, really seeing God's beautiful creations, just taking in the views, the water, the sounds, like the animals, everything was just so peaceful and serene, and I could literally be out here all day. Although today was really just centered around nature, being outside and being active, and it wasn't more so about the day-to-day. I really did appreciate that, honestly. But best believe I am not a nature girly. No. You know, I'm here for the aesthetics. I'm here for the view. You know, I'm here for the animals and the vibes. But for me to be out here for long periods of time, no baby, no ma'am, can't do it. But in this time, I've had time to reflect and really think about how I really do appreciate nature, and how sometimes I wish I had more of these moments like this, being out in nature, walking, hearing the sounds. I think it's a great way to meditate and clear head. As I glow up on this journey and really become the person that God has created me to be, I do want to make sure that I make time for moments and days like this. I believe that my future self would actually prioritize these types of times and sessions to really be out in nature. It reminds me how much of this I take for granted on a daily basis, but I can't do that anymore. We don't ever get times like this. If anything, we just find time to recreate moments like these, you know?
We in nature, y'all.
It's like you just stepped in somebody's house.
I know.
Little Rock?
Huh?
Is that what it's called?
Little Falls.
Little Falls? Yeah.
Wow, look at
That was
that.
pretty down there. That was pretty.
It looks like it's gonna give you a kiss. Like,
Take a picture of that for me, and then. Have you?
No,
With these knots on it right there?
no, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
all right, now watch out for
For what?
snakes and stuff.
Snakes.
Oh, it ain't. We're not gonna be right out.
Snakes and bears.
Bears. Oh, I didn't sign up for an adventure today. I didn't mentally prepare. Ah, what is that?
It's a stick, Ryan.
No, it wasn't.
It was
No,
a stick.
it touched my knee, girl. The stick wasn't that tall. I can't do bugs.
That's nice.
You better put those arms in.
See, look at it. I forgot you could hear.
Look at her, such a scaredy cat.
There she goes.